Hello everybody, you are watching my channel Design Curious. In today's video I will tell you how to create QR code or barcode for your design or for your products in Canva. So first you need to select your design for which you want the QR code, and then you just need to go to the share button, and then from here you can select any of your desired option. Like if you want people to just see your design through your barcode, you can select the view only link. But if you want your uh, clients or your friends who can edit your design, then you need to select the template link, and whatever the link you decide, you just need to copy it, like from here, and then you need to come here uh, in the more option, and from here you can see there are many apps associated with the Canva, and in the popular category you can see the QR code. But if you are not seeing this app in this area, you can even select from here, or you can even discover the other apps that are already available in the Canva. So uh, once you will create your link for your design, then you will click on the QR code option in the Canva library, and then here you will place paste your URL that you have just copied, and you can see that the QR code has been created by the Canva for this link, and you can even customize it. Like you can, if you want the background of your barcode in black, and then or the barcode area with the white, you can change. You can even create the spaces around your barcode like this. You can increase or decrease the margin of your barcode. So these are just some simple options that you can apply while creating your barcode, and then simply press on the button generate QR code. So here you are, your barcode for this design is ready. Now you can share this barcode with your clients, with your friends, or on your social media along with your design detail, so that people can easily create get your design through this barcode. And the same barcode, same technique you can use to create the barcode for many products, or for your brands. So for whatever your project would be, you can create the barcode very easily in Canva. So this is all about for today's tutorial. I will come with another tutorial in next video. Thank you for watching my channel.